Traction Complete was the right decision for Zoom and our business. Traction's team has been great to work with because they really take the time to understand Zoom's business and strategize about how we can best tackle our complex hierarchy structure. Hi, I'm Heidi Davis. I'm the manager of sales operations and global data at Zoom. Zoom is more than meetings. We've really evolved into becoming a unified communications platform. As a sales operations team, one that's focused on global data and proactive data strategy, one of the areas that we really focus on is providing accurate hierarchies for our sales team. We have very complex hierarchy structures, so that made it very difficult for our sales team to really understand what does a company structure look like and how would I approach them. Traction Complete allows our sales team to have a real clear visualization of a company hierarchy. It allows them to identify white space, which gives them the advantage to really partner with other account executives across the globe to sell Zoom to its fullest extent. For our sales operations team, it allows us to reduce the amount of time that we spend on manually cleaning up these complex hierarchies. The easy drag and drop allows our sales operations team to quickly clean up a hierarchy as well as maintain regional ownership. Traction Complete has been great to work with. Our CSM really provides us the technical support that we need in order to maintain our complex hierarchy structures within Salesforce. They also provide us an account manager who really takes the time to understand what are Zoom's business priorities and how can we best leverage Traction Complete to its fullest extent.